You own some crypto and you wonder yourself, how can I diversify or increase my gain by taking advantage of the volatility of crypto like Bitcoin? Hi, this is Cal from Crypto Labs, and today I'll show you how you can use a trading platform like Binance. So just sit back, relax, and we start this right now. Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to another video. If you're new here or if you're just starting in crypto, make sure you click like and subscribe because most of my content will be for new people that are starting in the crypto world. So today I'll be talking about a crypto platform or a crypto exchange platform called Binance. What is it exactly? Well, Binance, it's a platform where we can buy cryptos and sell. So it's not just Bitcoin. They have like hundreds of different kind of crypto that you can buy, and you can also trade them. So if you would like to diversify yourself and buy different kind of crypto, well, you can do it with Binance. And also, like I said in the intro, if you would like to take advantage of all the volatility that we have in the crypto world, well, it's an excellent thing to do. So you can buy more crypto when it gets low, and you can sell some of it when the price get very high. So it increase your gain, increase your return. So how do we start? Well, first of all, I'll put the link in the description so you can access the website and register yourself. And as a bonus, as using my link in the description, you'll get 10% rebate on all your trading fees, which is very interesting. It might be just 10%, but it does add up on the long run. I wish when I open up my account that I had something like this to reduce a little bit of the fees. So make sure to use the link in the description to open up your account for a 10% rebate for life. So on the Binance website, first thing we do, well, we have the register right here. Before we do that, actually, I want to give you a little bit why I really like Binance and how good the platform is. So if we go on the coinmarketcap.com, where we can see all the cryptos, well, at the top, we have a menu for exchange, so we can see all the most popular exchange available in crypto. So if we click on it, and we see all the ranking of the biggest trading exchange. So number one, it's right here, Binance. They have a volume of over $6 billion a day. And that's probably more than that because we're just halfway in the day right now. So Binance, they're huge. It's very big. They have a really big market share right now. So it's very interesting when you can do some trading on a platform where there's a lot of volume. So get back to here. So what we do, we'll just create an account. So we click here on register. So we enter our details. So I'll enter my email. Create a password. Make sure it's not too easy and it's long enough so it doesn't get hacked too easily. Make sure you check mark, read and agree. Create account. Like this to make sure you're not a computer. And then email. So I'll just go into my email account. So Binance, confirm your registration. My code is right here. Can I do a paste? Yes, I can do a paste. All right, welcome to Binance. So depending in which country you are, it's a little bit different. For me, being in Canada, I'm very limited with buying crypto with cash money or selling it back to Canadian money. But depending in which country you are, you can buy some and you can sell it also. So that's why I have a different option here. Credit card, you can deposit, so transfer money from one account to the other. I'll show you that a little bit later, but for now we'll just skip this. So go to your dashboard. Okay, so security verification, we have two options. The first one is a phone verification. So basically it's using text messaging with your cell phone. And the second one, which is the most secure one, it's the Google verification. So what's Google verification? It's using a software or an app on your phone called Google Authenticator. So you go on the App Store on Google or Google Play Store if you are on Android, and you have to install the app, and that app will generate a code like every, I believe, 20 seconds that you can use to enter your account, so it cannot be hacked. Only you with the Google generator you can connect to your account. Or the other way would be with the phone verification that you can also use. So all you have to do is put your phone number and click send code. So what it will do, it will send a code to your phone, and from there you can just enter your code. Actually, I cannot really do it because it's just a fake account I'm creating. So I won't go necessarily, or can I? Yes, I'll be fine. Okay, so I don't need to go all those steps, but just make sure you go through those steps to make sure to secure your account properly. All right, so it's an intro, so I won't go in every detail you need to know. It's just for what you need to know for starting trading and buying and selling crypto. So what's the most important thing? Well, like I said, if you live, depending on which country you are, you can go right here, buy crypto, and you have different options. But for us in Canada, it's not necessarily the best. There are other options like ShakePay. It's a good platform for us in Canada where we can buy some crypto. And then we have the market. So if you want to see all the market that Binance can provide, or that you can buy and sell, also trade, I'll come back to that later. And from here, well, the two other are not that important for now. And then from here we have wallet. So that's your wallet where you keep all your different kind of token. So if you go to an overview, you would have the overview of all your balance and all your cryptos asset that you have. And then if we go to fiat and spot, that's where you would go to buy, sell, or withdraw, or whatever you want to do. So let's say if you have a specific token that you would like to move from one wallet to another wallet, that would be done here. So if I give you, let's say I do an example, I select this one, you would like to deposit some of that token to that wallet. So you would have to go where the actual token is located, and you would just need to send it to this address right here, and then it would convert automatically to your Binance account. Same thing, if you would like to withdraw any kind of token from here, it would be the same thing. So let's say you have a ShakePay account or you have a Coinbase account, and you would like to take some of those coin right here you have on Binance, and you would like to move them back to your ShakePay account or Coinbase account. Well, you just need to do a withdraw from here, and the address that you put here would be your Coinbase account or Coinbase wallet or your ShakePay wallet. And so you just need to put the address right here, how much you need to transfer, and you click submit. That's it. It gets transferred automatically, and we can see the fee right away. So how much does it cost to transfer to your other wallet. So that's for the wallet itself. And then the other important thing would be here. So that's your account. So all the detail about your account, if you need to change your password, all the security, so all the feature you're using would be right here. And then right here we have language and the currency. So if you're using different kind of language other than English, you can use it here. Or if you're in a other country and you don't want to use the USD currency, well, you can change it to whatever you want. And before I forgot, they have a really nice phone app also. So you can go to your app store or on the Google Play Store, and they have the Binance application that you can download, install, and from there you can do basically all the same thing but on your phone. So you can keep up with your wallet balance. You can see the market in general, you can trade, you can buy, you can sell. I'll do a video later on just for the application itself, but it's a very nice application. So that's all the basics. So now let's go on the trading part of it. So that's most important thing of it. So if we go click on the menu right here and we go to trade, and we can go to classic. That's the one I prefer personally, using the classic one. So from there, you're now on the page to do all your trading and see what's going on. Don't be overwhelmed with all the stuff we see right now. We'll just go step by step and I'll explain you what you need to know exactly. First of all, the layout, you can change it right here if you want. So the theme, you can go, let's say, white, or you can go with the dark theme. I prefer dark, it's better for the eyes. And you can also customize your layout. Personally, I prefer full screen. It's already on full screen. Sometimes you might log on and it looks something like this. That's the classical. I don't like it as much because the graphic, it's a bit small and all the rest take a lot of space. So usually I prefer to use the full screen one. So I have all my graphic on one side of the screen and all the buying, selling orders on the right side, with right here with all your orders that you can create. So that's the graphic. So let's go, let's see, we go, oh, we're already on BTC. Okay, so that would be a Bitcoin for US dollar Tether. So what's US dollar Tether? Tether, it's a coin that follow the US dollar. So basically it's a cryptocurrency, but the price is always the matching the US dollar. Let's say we go back to right here, CoinMarketCap, and we go to the main page. We can see Tether, it's the fourth biggest coin or token. So all it does, it follow the US dollar. So if you go here on the description, so what is Tether? So it's a stable coin that mirror the price of the US dollar. So it's when you trade or when you want to sell your coin temporarily because you want to take advantage of some of the high or lows, well, you can just sell them to USDT because the price of that coin never change, and then you can buy more coin when you're ready to do so. I'll show you. So right here on the left, we have your graphic, so the performance of the Bitcoin. We can change the chart right here. So depending on what time you want to use, so that's represent for one candle. So one little line here, how many minute have been gone through. So that's 5-minute chart, and let's say we go on the 30-minute chart. So one candle represent 30 minutes. So that's 30 minute, 30 minute, 30 minutes. So we see every 30 minutes, or we can go by the hour. So 1 hour, or the other one that I use very frequently would be on the 4 hour. So it gives you a little bit more general detail and you can see what's going on exactly. So that's the basic. All the rest, all the detail, I'll explain it later in a different video. I want to do a video later to give you basic training on how to do some trading. So I'll go more technical later on, but for today it's just to show you how to use the platform. So we got all those graphic on the left, and from here on this right side, that's all the selling order and buying order. So every time people wants to sell some Bitcoin, well, they create a selling order, and it show up right here until it gets fulfilled. So let me give you an example. Right here at the bottom, that's where we do all the buying and selling. Then again, it's just an intro video. I won't go in detail with all those menus. We'll just keep it on the spot. So spot, under spot, we have three different menus. We have the limit, market, and stop limit. First one, limit, it's when you want to buy or sell. In this case, it's BTC, so Bitcoin, at a certain amount. So right now we can see the Bitcoin is selling around 18,300 and something. So let's say you would like to buy some Bitcoin. Right now it's right here. You say, okay, let's say I would like to buy some Bitcoin maybe around this range. So at 17,917. So you could just type the amount that you want to, let's say, buy your Bitcoin. So let's say $70,947, how much you would like to buy. So depending on the USDT that you own right here, you can use the bar right here to say, okay, I would like to buy 50%, 75% of my total asset, or you can just put whatever amount you want to do. So let's say I have $1,000 here. I said, okay, I would like to buy 50% of my asset with Bitcoin at this price. So as soon you do buy, order will open up here, and it will be listed with all the others until it gets fulfilled. So sometimes it goes very quickly. If it happened, the price goes down to your amount very quickly, or sometimes it can take a while. So depending how the market is going. So that's for the limit order. Next one, it's the market. Market, what it is, it's when you want to buy right now. You don't want to specify a price. You just want to buy it right now at the actual selling price. So what it does, let's say you would like to buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. By clicking here, say, okay, I want to buy 50% of all my asset. You click buy. It will buy directly using the first one on the list that who wants to sell their Bitcoin. So it gets usually within a second, it's done. You purchase your coin and done deal. Usually that's good if you're in a situation that there's something moving really fast, or you don't really care specifically on the detail of the price. You can just use the market price. And the third, and it does apply when you're selling also. I'm talking about buying, but it's the same thing when you're selling. It's same thing. The third one, it's the stop limit. Stop limit, what is interesting, it's to prevent losses. So what I mean, let's say you buy some Bitcoin at a certain price. So let's say you buy Bitcoin right now, or let's say we go back in the past. You purchase Bitcoin right here somewhere at, let's say, 18,943 right here, and it's late at night and you want to go to bed, and you don't want to sometimes we can be afraid that the market could crash overnight, and then you woke up in the morning and say, what happened? I just lost like 30% of all my asset, which could happen. So what's good with stop limit, you're telling Binance to sell or buy your asset at a certain amount if it get there, just to prevent more loss. So I'll give you an example. So let's say we did purchase some Bitcoin right here at night. That was on the 23rd of November. Let's say you purchase it at 11 o'clock at night, and you paid 80,476. So what you can tell Binance says, okay, so whatever happened, if it crash, I want to sell my coin to prevent further loss. So you can say, okay, so let's go $353. So let's say, okay, I'm willing to lose $800 from that price or ish. So you can tell Binance to sell, let's say, at around 1700 and 500, 17,500, around here. You're willing to lose up to here. If the price keep going down, well, Binance will sell your coin right here and just, well, exchange it to Tether coin, and then it will just stop. So you won't lose anything after. So if the Bitcoin keep going down, well, it doesn't matter because you sold all your coin right here. And if you woke up the next morning and you said, wow, okay, my coin got sold at middle of the night at around, let's say, 17,500. You woke up in the morning and you're at $16,500. Well, that's a good buy opportunity. So you can take the coin that the system sold as a stop limit and you can buy them again, but cheaper. So you do make a profit. Same thing goes the other way. If you sold some coin because you knew that the market was going down, but you're not sure if it might just start pumping up again overnight, and you don't want to lose all that possibility or all that gain that can be done, well, you can do the same thing. You can do a stop limit and tell Binance, okay, I just sold all my coin here. If the price keep increasing to a certain amount, buy it. So if it start increasing to a certain level, Binance will buy the coin for you. So if it keep moving up, well, at least you start gaining again. So let's make an example. Let's say, like I said, we just purchased it here and we want to prevent it to go from 17,500. So we would go here, stop limit, sell my coin at 17,500, let's say 17,500. And well, actually, no, I have to say at what amount I want to create a sell order actually. So let's just copy, paste. So let's say at $17,536. So if the price get to that range, I want to create a sell order for this price and for, let's say, this amount of Bitcoin. So what it will do, if the price reach $17,536, Binance will create a sell order automatically for the amount of 17,526 for the amount that you decide to sell. So let's say you own 5,000 worth of Bitcoin. You said, okay, I would like to sell just 50% of it, just in case there's a small crash or the amount start going below my expectation. So we can say, okay, sell 50% of my asset for this price. So the sell order won't show up here until the Bitcoin reach this amount. It reached that amount, sell order is created to sell at that price. So if the price keep going down, well, Binance will sell your coin for that price. And then you are protected, well, not protected, but at least you don't get such a big loss. The other thing about it though, you have to be careful not to put your loss too close to what you're paid, because there's volatility to Bitcoin. So it is normal, it will go down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So if you put it too close of the actual current price, well, there's a chance that it might sell and you'll wake up in the morning and you won't have, well, all your Bitcoin that you choose or you selected will be sold. So you just have to be careful not to put the amount too high or too close of the actual market. So that's for the basic understanding of this page. So now let's say you would like to trade some coin with a different kind of coin. So we could, well, it would be done on this page, but to select it, just go back to your Binance right here on top. Go, or you could actually just go to your wallet, fiat and spot from here. So everything you own would be here. So let's say you did transfer, you have an account with Coinbase, you purchase your coin or your BTC over there, and then you move from that wallet to your Binance wallet. So right here at the top, we would see BTC with a certain amount. So let's say you say, okay, I would like to buy some Ethereum. So you can go right here and select the specific coin that you would like to move it to, and you just say trade. And you just have to select to what you would like to trade it to. So this coin, it's called AAVE. Let's say I would like to change it to ETH, which is Ethereum. Just select this, and it will bring you to the page of Ethereum. So you would have like your actually your amount of AAVE right here that you can sell for Ethereum. So you can select how much you wanted to sell for, well, the amount actually, the quantity you want to sell, and what's the price you want to sell it for. And you just sell your AAVE and it will be converted automatically to Ethereum. So if after you go back to your wallet right here, well, you would see it would show up right here. You would see Ethereum and the amount that you own. So you can just add up and keep diversify yourself with different kind of coin. And then again, same thing. If you want to move out those Ethereum to your separate wallet, could be a hardware wallet, could be on different place, could be on Coinbase, whatever you want to do. Well, same thing. You just have to say, okay, I want to withdraw. And then you just have to, okay, I withdraw this, select your address, fees, amount you want to transfer, and then click transfer. Can I see it? Oh, right here. Then you just select submit. So the amount would get moved automatically within, well, depending how busy the network is, but usually it's done within a couple minutes. Last thing I want to talk about, it's the fees. So how Binance work when it come up to the fees. So let's go back to the main page and scroll down right here at the bottom where we can see the fees. So remember when I told you, if you use my link in the description, if you don't have an account yet with Binance, you'll be saving 10% of all your trading fees. So I'll show you what's the fees. So first of all, they have another interesting thing about the fees or discount that you can get. So if you buy BNB, what's BNB? It's the Binance coin. So if we go back again to the coin market cap, right here, and BNB, it's right here at number 10. So it's the Binance coin. So it's coin that it's owned by Binance. So if you own or if you hold in your wallet on Binance 50, I believe, yes, it's 50 BNB, you have a reduction of 25% of all your fees on top of the 10% by using my link. So you got like 85, not 85, but 35% fees reduction, which can be very interesting. But if you don't have that amount of BNB, you're just gonna get the 10% from my link. So here's the fee. So probably most of people watching this video right now will be in the VIP 0 category. So basically it's everyone trading less than 50 Bitcoin in trading per month. So 50, the equivalent of 50 Bitcoin in transaction per month. will be paying 0.1% on the maker and taker. So maker and taker, well, doesn't really at this point what it is because it's the same amount, but the maker, it's when you do a transaction, a quick transaction right away at the market price, and the taker, it's when you do a you open up a sell order or you do a stop loss. That would be for the taker, but it's 0.1%. So basically for every $1,000 that you trade, you'll pay $1 in fee. It doesn't look that much, but when you start selling and buying frequently, multiple times in the same day or in a week, it can start adding up pretty quickly. So that's why I'm saying the 10%, it might not be a lot, but it does make a small difference on the long run. But still, it's not too bad. So you'll be paying about $1 for every thousand, well, it could be not necessarily US dollar, but a unit that you would be selling or trading, not just selling, but buying and selling, which is involving trading. So that's about it for Binance today. So I hope the information was interesting. I hope it was clear enough. Like I said, you can look around. There's a little bit more information you might want to know about, but like that's all the basic. That's everything you know to start trading. On following video, I'll show you how you could do some basic training. So I'll give you some trading skill, how you can make a little bit more profit every day and maybe make an extra like $50 or $100 every day or every time you trade, to take advantage of the high and the lows in the crypto world. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comment, put them below. I'll answer them to you. And until then, have a nice day and talk to you later. Bye-bye.